Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, United States, January 4, 2025. Heavy snow has begun to fall in blankets parts of Pittsburgh. All of western Pennsylvania, as well as parts of Maryland, West Virginia, and Ohio are under a winter weather advisory or winter storm warning. Advisories and warnings are expected to remain in effect through 10 a.m. Saturday. As of midday Friday, most snow reports from the morning snow band ranged from 1 to 3 inches across much of the Pittsburgh metropolitan area and western Pennsylvania. The steady snow has turned into more sleet and blizzard activity. Snow showers and drizzle will continue through Friday night and into Friday night and Saturday morning, with the widest coverage and best chance of accumulation north of Pittsburgh toward I-80.
Chop. Trăm con máu rồi. Through Saturday, 1 to 3 inches of snow is possible north of Pittsburgh toward I-80 and areas of 3 to 6 inches are possible north of I-80 with lake-like snow showers and snow patches. The Laurel Highlands and mountain ranges could also receive 3 inches or more of snow as downhill flow increases snowfall rates through the afternoon and early evening hours. A larger system will arrive in the Ohio Valley and Central Appalachians Sunday night into Monday, with significant snow accumulations also possible. KDKA First Alert meteorologists are watching the system, as its path will be critical to determining where the heaviest snow will fall. With this winter weather, road crews and meteorologists are overwhelmed. From keeping you safe to making the roads passable, it's a complex task. Before the snow flies or the salt falls, KDKA's First Alert weather team crunches data to come up with the most accurate forecast possible. The more data the better because even the slightest changes can make a big difference. There's so much time and very subtle changes that can change the game, said First Alert meteorologist Trey Fulbright, as he prepares his forecast.
To plan for snow amounts, meteorologists comb through several different models to get the most accurate picture possible. While everyone would love to get those numbers sooner, having a better picture is better than blowing things out of proportion. The County Department of Public Works said it will be running 24-hour service until the snow stops and all county roads are clear. Drivers are urged to slow down, increase travel time, and make sure to leave enough space between their vehicles, and are asked to give salt trucks and plows plenty of room. PennDOT announced that the HOV lanes on I-279 north of Pittsburgh will not be open during the morning rush hour and are expected to remain closed for the rest of the day.
Hopefully it's okay. And then over here we have someone doing